Namaste, Vanakam, Yem Peru, Munaya, and I love India so much. And on this channel, I express my love for this beautiful and diverse country. I'm from Ghana in West Africa, and I'm reacting to Maru Vartai. I hope I didn't completely butcher this name. Probably I did. Maru Vartai. Lyric video, and obviously I'm reacting to this because Dhanush is in it, and I love Dhanush so much. If you've watched some of my previous reactions, you guys will know that I love Dhanush so much. Dhanush has my heart, but I haven't reacted to anything from Dhanush in a very long time, and I'm like, okay, I went to YouTube searching for like Dhanush song, searching through which ones haven't I heard before, and I saw this song and I decided to react to it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section concerning the song, and if there's anything else you want to see on this channel, let me know in the comment section. It doesn't have to be reactions alone, it doesn't have to be music and movies alone. Anything Indian, let me know in the comment section. I'm down for it. And also, I've been improving a lot in my dance through this channel as well. Like, I've been making short dance videos and all that, and I've improved quite significantly. And I hope to let's get into the song. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. The beginning is so soothing, the flute.
பேசாதே மடி மீது நீ தூங்கிடு இமை போல நான் காக்க கனவாய் நீ மாறிடு மயில் தோகை போலே விரலுன்னை வருடும் மனப்பாடமாய் உரையாடல் நிகழும்
Okay.
தொலை தூரம் சென்றாலும் தொடுவானம் என்றாலும் நீ விழியோரம் தானே மறைந்தாய். வார்த்தை பேசாதே மடி மீது நீ மூடிடு இமை போல நான் காக்க கனவாய் நீ மாறிடு மயில் தோகை போலே விரலுன்னை வருடும் மனப்பாடமாய் உரையாடல் நிகழும் விழிநீரும் வீணாக இமை தாண்ட கூடாது துளியாக நான் சேர்த்தேன் கடலாக கண்ணானதே மறந்தாலும் நான் உன்னை நினைக்காத நாளில்லையே பிரிந்தாலும் என் அன்பு ஒருபோதும் மறுவார்த்தை பேசாதே மடி
The song was fun. It sounded like more like a party song to me, like like the dance kind of songs. But it was really nice, and the music was cool, especially the beginning side. It was so soothing, like calm and everything, and then it got to like the upbeat music and all that. I really enjoyed it, and I had so much fun watching this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this song and this video, my reactions, and anything you want to see next on this channel. Drop them in the comment section. It doesn't have to be just music, it doesn't have to be just movies. Anything India basically is welcome on this channel. I just want to learn more about the culture and more about the country and more about the people and everything. I just want to know everything. So you guys, if you know videos or if you know things that I should be doing that will help me in this, drop it in the comment section. I would like to know, and I will very much appreciate your contributions to this channel. Thank you very much, and thank you to everyone that continue to support me in the comment section. Your love means so much to me. Thank you, Nandri, Shukriya, and yeah, bye. See you in my next video.